Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how I prepare this very delicious Filipino pork adobo recipe. Very quick and easy to make. So right here, I have 2.5 pounds of pork shoulder, and you can use any part of pork, it doesn't matter, right? Also, I got 6 bay leaf right here, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, salt and pepper to taste, half cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, right? Also 1 cup of beef bouillon broth, and guys, if you have the beef cubes, you can use that too, right? It doesn't matter. Also 6 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and a medium red onion, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my salt and pepper to my pork, right? And I'm just gonna massage my salt and pepper into my pork. With my stove little above medium heat, I'm now gonna go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, right? And I'm just gonna toss my pot around a bit, just to level the oil in the bottom of the pot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my red onion, right? I'm just gonna saute for 30 seconds before I add the garlic. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. And I'm just gonna saute for another 30 seconds before I add the pork. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my pork, right? And I'm just gonna brown my pork for about 3 to 5 minutes. After browning my pork for 3 to 5 minutes, I'm now gonna add my bay leaf. Also gonna add my peppercorn. Also gonna add my soy sauce. Now I'm gonna stir it a bit. Also gonna add my beef bouillon broth. And guys, you should be smelling this aroma right now, trust me. Now I'm going in with a cup of water. And my brown sugar. I'm just gonna stir a bit. Now I'm gonna add my white vinegar, and I'm gonna cover it and allow it to cook. Alright, this is what it's looking like when it's fully cooked. Look at it. Wow, this is just amazing. Guys, trust me, the aroma that's coming from this right now is just unbelievable. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add some onion that I saute, right? Just for garnishing. So you're not gonna let this onion cook, right? You're just gonna turn the stove off immediately. Alright guys, so here I have the finishing product right here. Oh, it look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright guys, if you happen to reach thus far in the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and also the notification bell. Now look how beautiful this looks, right? I'm pairing mine in some rice, as you can see right here. Mazarap, yum. Martin.